we've added a new feature in our enterprise admin panel called Audit Trail. So this feature is available for our Pro and Enterprise users. So if you're on the Pro plan, or any of your workspaces on the Pro plan or in an Enterprise plan, or if you're an Enterprise admin account, you can basically access this feature called Audit Trails. So let's see how it works. So you basically go to the admin panel, if you're on that particular, Pro plan or Enterprise account, you will see there is Audit Trail. Now here, basically the Audit Trail captures all the different events, for your users and what activities they have done, in your workspace or different stacks. So now let's say if I've selected, in Stackby workspace, I want to see the activities in the last, 3 months, which users have downloaded information, copied information, from, the stacks or the workspaces. So what I can do is I can quickly apply the filter. So I can see the different event names, when was this downloaded, what was the stack name, what was the view name, and who downloaded it, and what was the IP address who downloaded it. So basically it gives you all the information about the different events that have happened, which might lead to, any data leak, from your organization. And you might want to keep track of, who's downloading information or who's doing things that, they're not supposed to do. So we are basically tracking those events in the Audit Trail, in Stackby. And this feature is available for our Pro and Enterprise users. So this is, how it looks like, and it will continue to keep adding those features. So you get entire, visibility of, who's doing what, in Stackby. So this is also one of the security features, for our enterprise accounts. If you have a lot of users in your teams and you want to keep track of who's doing what, if they're doing something that's downloading your information, doing things that, they should not be doing, you can basically track those events, here in the audit. So let us know what you think if you're a Pro plan or an enterprise admin user. Thanks.